you can edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. So follow the steps. First of all, launch your LinkedIn app and then log in your account. And then here you can see a home page filled with many things. You need to have your home page like this, just like I've shown in my screen. And go to your profile, you can see it. So what you need to do to edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. And here on the middle at the post at the bottom, you can see the post option with the plus icon. Just tap on it. And here this kind of interface appears in your screen. What you need to do is tap on the clock icon at the top, the small clock icon, just tap on it. And then you can enter a schedule. You can enter your date here, and here you can enter your time and tap on next. And then your scheduled post will be shared here. And if you have already created your scheduled post, then you'll find the option called view all scheduled posts in this screen. And then tap on the option and you'll find everything that you have scheduled on that post. So in this way, you can edit a scheduled post on LinkedIn. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.